this side here is rounded, but this side here is flat. So we're going to put the round side to the bolt, and the flat side to the engine. Now you have to reset the oil life screen on the dash here. I use this up here, see what my next service is, and I was about 20 miles over. Now we all gotta do reset oil life. So go here. Oil life 70%. Huh. And press and hold that in until it starts blinking. Alright. Alright, I think I have to hold it in now. There we go. Alright, we're at 100% oil life. Alright, everything's reset. Next oil change, I'll have to check my manual. And then, I guess, write a sticker over this.